Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Life is Good with Anuradha Vashisht, and today is a fun episode because today the ambiance is a little bit of different because I'm not at my home, I'm somewhere else. I have stepped out for a little bit of a me time for myself at this nice, quaint, vegetarian, healthy cafe called Mystic Yoga Cafe, which is in Purna Das Road. So today's episode is going to be fun because today I'm going to show you what I have in my bag. Very important because now it's been more than 11 months, more than 10 months actually, when this pandemic situation has happened all over the world. Globally, we have all been locked up inside our homes, but now slowly everybody is moving out. They are going to different places, and the entire scenario has changed of life, where we need to maintain a little bit of sanitization or rules or a little bit of discipline on ourselves. So while stepping out today from my home, I was getting ready and I was just putting in everything into my bag, and I realized that a lot of new things have been added to what we already have in our little bags or big bags that we carry. And I thought, why not make a video on what should be in your bag post this pandemic condition which is happening all over the world. So just like what your makeup or what your dressing sense or what you are or what your personality says about you, the bag that you carry and the things that is there inside it also says a lot about the kind of person that you are. So now I shall head away into this bag of mine. This is a very classic black colored bag. I think that all the women should be having, because this is one color which is going to go with all your outfits and kind of gels with any kind of a event or any kind of a any kind of a get together that you're going into. So yes, this is my bag that I use regularly when I'm going out. I have a few fancy bags which I keep for fancy occasions, but when I go out for having coffee, or if I'm going out with my children or for my family somewhere, this is one bag which is like big and cozy, and it kind of helps me keep everything that I need to inside it. So this is the bag that I have, and I shall show you what is inside it. This is a one zip bag. Just contains one zip and everything is stuffed inside. It is nice and big and very suitable to keep all my things inside. Let me just dive in and take out whatever is there and show and share with you what I have inside my bag post the COVID condition. So the first thing which is very important is, of course, your money. This is my money wallet, and so it has my cards and money in it. So after the money purse, something very important that you should have in your bag when you're going out now is, of course, your sanitizers. So you can have a sanitizer for yourself. Now I have two kinds which I shall show you. So one is this, where you just pop in the cap and you apply it. And what you can do is, what you can keep in your bag is this spray kind of a sanitizer, which is going to help you even if you're sitting onto somewhere, or whenever you're sitting down, so on your seat you can apply it, or if you're some kind of a surface that is there that you need to actually sanitize, it will be wise for you to keep the spray sanitizer for yourself. Always keep an extra mask, okay? So always keep an extra mask for yourself, so that in case you are out and you have forgotten your mask, You don't have to rush back home. Or if you're meeting somebody and that person has forgotten, you can always hand it over to them. Another very important thing is to keep your house keys, a spare home key, a house key, in a small purse, you know, this kind of a purse, so that any kind of a small pouch or purse or something, so that in case you have forgotten to take your home keys and you are in a rush to go out, you just pick up your bag and you move, you have a key with you. You don't have to worry that you have shut the door, how you're going to get inside. So this is a spare key that you have for yourself. So always put it in a little pouch, a small bag, whatever you can, and just place it in your bag and let it be there. Okay, the next thing that I have inside my bag is my coin purse. Now you all need coins, you know, when we are going out, and they are the bulky chunk in your bag. So in another small zip kind of a pouch, you can have all your coins, okay, so that whenever you require it, you can just take it out from this and hand it over, or use it whenever it's needed for you. So it's very important to keep your coins in a small purse, because they're the chunky lot and you can just use it at your convenience. Another thing which I have inside my bag and I always carry is a medicine kit. Okay, now this is a medicine kit that I have, where I have a medication for acidity or for headache, because I have a lot of headaches happening. I always carry a little bit of a medicine for my children, because I have got a toddler and she keeps on falling and tripping over things. So I carry her medicines in case she gets hurt. So you have Band-Aid, very important, because you get a shoe bite, you get a cut somewhere and you are unable to walk, always have this. I have also a bunch of rubber band in case you are buying something, you get a packet of chips or some food and you have not eaten the full and you need to, you know, wrap it up and keep it back. So a rubber band is required, and it's got its various other utilities also. Also definitely these kind of, you know, to relieve you from acidity. I have medicines generally to relieve me from acidities and headache. So the next thing that comes out of my bag is this wipe. Now if you are a single woman or if you have got children, you know how important it is to keep a wipe for yourself, because not only it's going to help you when you have littered or when you have dirtied something, but just to, you know, when you need to reapply your makeup, you need a wipe. Or if your child has dropped something into you, into your dress or into them or themselves, or they have dirtied themselves, this wipe is very much needed. So a wipe is something that you must always carry in your bag, whether you have children or not. Okay, then I have pen and paper. Alright, so you never know what you need to write, or you need to sign something and you need a pen and paper. So yes, though we are digitally advanced and we are doing everything in our mobile, but a pen and paper is always needed and we must have it in our bags. So another thing that I always carry is a little bit of a perfume. Now this is my favorite brand. This is Davidoff Cool Waters, and I love the smell of it. It makes me feel so refreshed, and this is my favorite. So this is the smaller version, alright, and the 30 ml bottle that I always carry. Next, what do I have now? I have a little bit of a pouch and I have my earphones in it. So there are places where I have to wait and I'm getting bored, and I love listening to music, or if I need to watch something and I would not want to disturb the others around me. So I have this earphones, your earpods that you have. So this is in a little pouch. Another thing that I'm carrying always in my purse in an extra bit is this kerchief. Now kerchief is of course needed. I have these dry tissues as well. So these dry paper tissues, you never know for what reason you need, but yes, definitely must have in my bag. What else do I have? I also have a nail filer. So there are times when I'm waiting somewhere, and if I'm on the move in a car and the distance is for some time, just sit and file my nails and just tidy myself. I just have it in my bag. Of course, we know why this is important. These are mints that we all must have. So I have this. Another thing that I keep for myself in a tiny box is something that I've learned from my mother-in-law. She would always ask me to put it in my bag, and she herself would do it. Is this? So this contains a little bit of soft and long in a little bit of a bag. So there are times when you've eaten something heavy and you need to feel a little bit of refreshed. This comes into handy. Or if you're feeling unwell, if you just pop a little bit of a clove or this soft, into your mouth, you feel good about it. So this is what I have. Of course, now you can see what I have. This is the chapstick. I always carry a chapstick also. It has its various uses, and just one chapstick in my bag is something spare that I always. Going in for my inner zip that is there inside the bag, to which I have a few change, the loose changes that you have that you need to give in a hurry for the parking, or you need to give it to someone. I also carry an extra watch, okay, because there are times that I forget to wear my watch and I feel very incomplete without it. So I always keep this extra watch in my bag, and there are days when I'm not carrying, if I have forgotten to wear my watch and I'm out of the house, so that I don't feel empty in my hands, and I have a spare watch in my bag. I also have a clutch. I think everybody does. So an extra clutch in case you lose one or that breaks, or you need to just tidy up your hair. So this is what it is. Now the most important thing that comes out of my bag is this. Okay, this is my makeup pouch that I always carry now. I think most of you all know that yes, I like to do a little bit of makeup and dress up. So for anybody who likes to do a little bit of touch up when you're out, or you feel that yes, you might need it in the later part of the day or night whenever you're going out, just carry in a little pouch all your touch up products that you have. So in that I have is, you can see this is my most favorite brand of moisturizer. It's an oil-free moisturizer which I always keep. I have a comb in it. Okay, so I have a comb in it. I also have this hand and nail cream. So every time I wash my hand or I feel a little dry, I just put it onto my hands and it gets moisturized and hydrated. I also carry my mascara, my blush, if I need to do a little bit of touch-up. I also carry a little bit of these cotton balls. You never know when you require this for. And of course, this is a very important thing in a women's bag, because this is what you need, right? This is what I have. This is the hand mirror that I have. Also, I've got just a brush in case I need to redo my makeup. I can use it. Nowadays, I'm carrying Renee's Fab 5 lipstick because it's got 5 different colors. So instead of carrying 2 or 3 lipsticks, this is what I carry. But the only problem is that this is not not smudge proof. So it needs to be reapplied if you're having something. A very important thing for a lady to carry in her bag is this. I'm sure you can understand what this is. It's very important for you to carry this. So a sanitary napkin is something that you must always have in your bag for yourself or for somebody else if they require to. So just put a spare sanitary napkin in your purse for those surprise moments that you might have to meet up with. So I also have in this is a small, this is just a blusher, it's just my purse, so it's just there. And this is of course Nykaa's Molten Matte Lipid Cheek Tint that I can use. So this is what I have in my makeup kit. And this is a spare one that I always use, so I just pop in everything into it, and this remains in my bag, and so that I don't have to again put it back whenever I'm going out or somewhere. So these are the spare ones that I have, and it is always there in my big bag. Another important thing that I always carry in my bag is a spare goggles. Okay, I always have this because there are times that I have left the house without it in the daytime, and I require it because the sun is like so harsh in the midday. So you need to protect your eyes. So one spare goggles always in your bag, so that even if you have left home without it, you don't have to worry. You have one in hand and you can use it. So this is my goggles. So with this I come to an end of what is in my bag, and if you have enjoyed it, then do give me your likes and comment and let me know if I have missed on to anything that should be kept in my purse. It will be useful. I will make sure that it is there from next time henceforth. And let me know how you have enjoyed this video. If you have, then do subscribe to it if you have not already. And for all those who have already, thank you so much for supporting me. I read your comments. It's such a big reward and encouragement. And keep in tune for more such interesting videos coming your way. And till I see you in my next video, do take care of yourself. Stay beautiful, stay happy, stay smart, and I love you all.